So with number 8, we have this equation, 2 cubed times a to the 4th times 8 to the negative 2 equals 1. Now, we can stop right there. And just looking at this equation, we can solve this. So we have 2 cubed times a to the 4th times 8 to the negative 2 equals 1. All right. Now let's think about this. What is 2 cubed? 2 cubed is 8. Now a we don't know, so a to the 4th we don't know. What is 8 to the negative 2? Well, 8 squared is 64. And so 8 to the negative 2, when you have a negative exponent, that means it's reciprocal. So now I can take 8 and 1/64 and multiply them together, and I get 1/8 times a to the 4th equals 1. So to get a by itself, we can multiply both sides by 8. So a to the 4th equals 8. So if I want to get a by itself, I need to get rid of that 4 exponent. So I raise both sides to the 1/4. Because what's going to happen is these two exponents are going to cancel out. Because when you have two exponents, they multiply. So you have a equals a to the 1/4. Now, this is the value of a, but let's look up above. A equals b to the k power, where b is a positive prime integer. Is this a prime number? Actually, it's not. We have to break this down into a smaller prime number. And so what we have to do is we have to say, well, what is 8? 8 is really 2 to the 3rd power, and 2 is a prime number. And so by making that replacement, we now have two exponents. We have 2 cubed, and that is raised to the 1/4. So that means we multiply. So we have 2 to the 3/4. And what the problem is asking for is determine the value of k, that is the exponent. So our value for k is this. It's 3/4. And we're done.